Hey, this is Mark from Ruff, Tuff. And now that we've cut and sewn all the pieces for our 2019 Ford F-250, it's time for quality control. Our quality control team will trim threads, check for seam allowances, and make sure Velcro is sewn on tight. They will also make sure that the seat cover meets our high quality standards. Our quality control team will tag key pieces of the seat cover to allow the customer to know where they go. They'll also make sure all the pieces that the customer ordered are with the seat cover. Here's the finished product: brown soft touch insert diamond quilted with MultiCam trim. Next, we'll move on to installation.